And while we're here, I wanted to just show you a little bit about what I have going here. I'm in Naples, Florida. It's a great place for growing tropical fruit. So let me give you a quick tour. Okay, right here you can see we just planted. This is the time of year, late September, beginning of October, to plant your leafy greens. So we've got a lot of red leaf lettuce going here. We just put in the ground. I've got some collards. This is collard here. Scallion, of course. This is the red leaf here. More collards there. More red leaf. Got some peppers here. Right here. This is scallion. We've got chives there. We've got some, I believe that's Italian parsley. Got some thyme. Got some, I believe that's sage, yeah. Got some cilantro there, mint, and basil. So that's the leafy green section. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one of my favorites here, Chinese cabbage. Very nice leafy green. Now, when you come out here, I've got about 40 fruit trees on the property. And you see the tennis court there. Many of you know that's what I do for a living. I teach tennis. This is a moringa tree here. Right now it looks like it's getting a little, we had a lot of rain recently. But you can throw that in your smoothies. See, here's some new shoots here. You can see it looks very nice, very green. You can put that in your smoothies, very good for you. Okay. So there we've got those little yellow flowers you see over there. That's perennial peanut. You can actually eat that as well. The rabbits love it. And I like to share with my rabbit friends. And then over there I've got some mulch, which I use to fertilize, of course. This is an orange tree that's under a little bit of stress. Again, too much water recently. Now these orange trees over here are doing much better because they're not in the grassy area. The grassy area holds the moisture so much that the tree was getting too much. I got a small little mango tree over there. I've got some other plants over there that I'm growing. Now, back here I've got some mango trees. I've got mamey sapote. I've got a mulberry tree here that I just planted. It'll come back. We're going into our winter season. Now here, I've got some black sapote trees planted. And I grew these from seed, but, and they're doing really well, so I've got one over here. They get pretty big. Now, back here, I've got mamey sapote. I don't know if you've ever had mamey, but it's a fantastic fruit. Like a sweet potato with the best, I mean, you know, a raw sweet potato. Let me put it that way. I got a fig tree here, another mango. Now, this is avocado here. And this here is sapodilla. Sapodilla is an awesome fruit. Tastes like pear with cinnamon. Really nice. Another mango. This is sugar apple. Okay, sugar apple is a really sweet fruit, very nice. Another mamey tree over here. That one looks really good, very healthy. This is a guanabana tree. Another sapodilla. Sapodilla. Of course, that's mango there. And back here, I've got my pineapples. And if you've ever had a fresh pineapple, I mean, there's no comparison. They melt in your mouth. You can pretty much eat the core. So I've got a bunch of pineapples here. And I need to fertilize here a little more. I got to get more chips in these areas. That's why I have that big pile of chips over there. I'll be doing that. I spread that around the trees and so forth. It's great fertilizer. So there you have a little tour of the fruit farm. And I've got more in the front yard. I've got a lychee tree, and I've got about 5 more mango trees close to the house there. You can see those big trees. Those are mango trees. One year we had about 1,000 mangoes. Mangoes have got to be one of the best. And mangoes and orange juice blended, oh man, you cannot beat it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments about growing your own food or about a fruitarian diet, please post those below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. All the best to your health. Take care.